ever happened to you?
Are you tired of being late for school, work, and other social events? Those regular alarm clocks just aren't loud enough to wake up a person like you.
Supersonic boom exploding alarm clock will revolutionize the way you wake up.
Boom, rumble, 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 earthquake.
Come on.
The supersonic boom exploding alarm clock uses patented NASA sonic boom technology to wake even the heaviest of sleepers up.
I'm trying to wake you up just isn't happening.
It's time to get up for school.
No.
And older brothers just don't get the job done.
Moron, Dad said to get up.
Leave! And you may be asking, how much does a product like this cost? $19.99? $14.99? No, you're wrong. $42.99. Call within the next 30 seconds and get a free pair! To order, call 999-99-5979. We just sold out.